we're doing a fall cleanup, and every 500 kilometers you're supposed to lube the chain on these bikes. So I'm going to use Maxima chain wax on my chain here. So clean the chain with it, let it dry. Let's get to it. So we'll get doing that now here. Okay, so one of those fall things, you know, one of those things you should do periodically, clean the chain. So got a soft cloth, clean. We got the chain wax, got the center stand on. We're able to spin the wheel freely. Okay, so we're just going to get the chain lube and we're going to spray it on. So I gotta figure out how to hold the phone and spray the lube at the same time. That's a tough one. I need another hand or a stand for my phone. That would be good. Alright, let's see. I think that might do it right there. Possibly. Let's see. Yeah, we'll go with that for now. Hopefully it works out. All right, oh, we got some on the tire. That is not a good sign. A little overspray, that's why you use the nozzle. Quickly dry. Quickly dry. All right, we're not dripping yet, so that's good. Things that dumb people will do, eh? Alright. At least the tire's nice and shiny, but now it's slippery. I guess that happens. Anyways, alright. Clean the chain. We'll run it top and bottom. She's sticky from the last time I used chain wax. But look at the dirt. That's from chain wax. Quite dirty. 500 kilometers. Sounds nice and smooth. It's fall now, so I don't know how many more times I'll be riding this thing. Because we'll definitely have snow in probably 3 weeks. Alright, so we cleaned it. Yeah, I got smart. It's about time, eh? Alright, so you're supposed to let it sit and dry. It's nicely on the top side. It's the top side that touches the sprockets anyways. One more time. Okay. Look at that. She looks pretty new now. Hopefully you guys saw all that. Hey, there's the chain up there. She's looking pretty clean. So we'll let that dry for 10 minutes and then we can go for a ride. All right. Thanks. I really like this stuff. It doesn't fling off like oil, and it doesn't leave a greasy, dirty mess, and sand and stuff doesn't stick to it. So anyways, for on-road use, definitely Maxima racing chain wax. Okay, thanks for watching, and safe riding.